Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can edit your recorded voice in CapCut PC into a woman's or man's voice. So here, I've already opened the CapCut PC app. Then I'm going to just start by record my voice in here. So just click on this microphone icon at the top of the track in here, and then the record pop-up will go like this. And if you want to record, you can just click on these red buttons right here to start recording your voice. Okay guys, so this is how you can record in a CapCut PC. Okay, so if you want to end the recording, you can also just click on the red button to stop it. And in here you can also adjust the echo reduction and also mute the sound in the project. If you're done, just click on close here. Then to edit your voice into a woman's or man's voice, you can just click on the recorded voice, and in here in the right panel, in here audio panel, just scroll down until you find voice effects. Click on this and to turn on the voice effect, and then click on the drop down to see the options of the voice effect. So to make your voice into a man, for example, you can just go with deep to make your voice sound deeper. Let's see.
Okay guys, so this is how you can record your voice in
Okay, and in here you can also adjust the pitch and also the timbre by your own like this. And to make it sound like a woman, you can try the high options. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe, click on the thumbs up icon, click on thanks, and also comment. Thank you.